Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're going to dive into a very useful app, especially for those of you who love downloading content to your devices. The app we're going to talk about today is called Tech Downloader, and it's available on the Google Play Store. This app is designed to help you download all kinds of media content, whether it's videos, images, or even documents, from the internet, straight to your phone or tablet. Now, we all know how annoying it can be when you want to save something from the internet but can't because it's either blocked or the site doesn't allow downloading. Well, Tech Downloader aims to solve that problem. This app is incredibly simple to use, and it supports downloading from a wide range of websites, which is something we don't often see with other downloaders. The first thing you need to know about Tech Downloader is how to set it up. It's easy to install, and once you open it for the first time, you'll be greeted with a simple interface. You'll see options for browsing websites, checking download status, and managing files. The app allows you to access its downloader feature right from the home screen, so no complex setup is required. Just tap on the browser option to search for the content you want to download. One of the standout features of Tech Downloader is its ability to detect downloadable content automatically. This means that if you're browsing a website and it has media that can be downloaded, the app will notify you and you can download the content with just a tap. It's a huge time saver and makes the whole experience seamless. Whether you're looking to grab a video, an image, or even a PDF, the app will quickly identify the file types you can download and you can choose exactly what you want. Tech Downloader also supports batch downloading. This feature is incredibly useful if you want to download multiple files at once. Instead of downloading files one by one, you can select a whole bunch and have them all downloaded simultaneously, saving you a lot of time, especially when dealing with large files. Another amazing feature is the app's ability to handle different file formats. Whether you're downloading videos in MP4, audio files in MP3, or documents in PDF, Tech Downloader has you covered. This makes it an all-in-one solution for anyone who wants to download various types of content. But it's not just about downloading files. The app also includes a built-in file manager, so you can easily organize and access your downloaded content. You can sort your files by type, name, or date, and the search function makes it easy to find specific files if you have a lot of content saved. This built-in organization system is something that many other downloaders lack, but it's a feature that really sets Tech Downloader apart. Of course, like with any app, there are some limitations. Tech Downloader works best with content that is freely available on the internet. Some sites may still have restrictions or require additional steps to access and download content, but the app does a good job of providing access to most downloadable media. Additionally, it doesn't support every website out there, so you may occasionally come across a page that can't be downloaded. However, this is to be expected with most downloaders, and it's not a deal breaker for Tech Downloader. Now, let's talk about safety. You'll be happy to know that Tech Downloader is free of any harmful ads or viruses, which is something you should always check before installing any app. The app itself is lightweight, doesn't use up much storage, and doesn't consume a lot of battery life while it's running. So, if you're someone who's cautious about security, you can rest assured that Tech Downloader doesn't pose any major risks. One thing I'd like to mention is that while Tech Downloader is great for saving media to your device, it's always important to respect the copyrights of the content creators. The app itself doesn't allow you to download copyrighted content, but it's still your responsibility to make sure you're only downloading content that you have permission to access. Always be mindful of the legal aspects when downloading online media. Now, let's talk about some of the pros and cons. First, the pros. It's super easy to use, supports batch downloads, works with various media formats, and includes a built-in file manager. Plus, it's free to download from the Google Play Store. It's an excellent option if you're looking for a simple and reliable downloader. On the flip side, the cons. There are some sites it can't download from, and it's not perfect for every type of media. It doesn't support some paid content or sites with extra protection against downloading. But even with those minor limitations, it's still one of the best apps out there for downloading content. Whether you're trying to grab a video from a site or download a document for offline use, Tech Downloader is a solid choice. To wrap it up, Tech Downloader is a must-have for anyone who frequently downloads content from the internet. It's quick, simple, and effective. With its smart features like automatic content detection and batch downloading, it makes the process so much easier. And with its ability to download a wide variety of file formats, it's an all-in-one solution for your media downloading needs. So if you're tired of struggling with download restrictions or clunky apps, give Tech Downloader a try. I'll leave a link to the app in the description so you can download it directly from the Google Play Store. That's all for today. I hope you found this review helpful. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Drop any questions or comments you have about the app below, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.